Hey everybody, this is Chris Bystead at Guaranty RV, and I just wanted to present a really awesome trailer. Boy, this is one of my favorites actually. This is the Apex. It's a 203 RBK. If you are looking to tow in a smaller SUV or a lightweight truck or something that can only tow about 5,000 pounds, but you really want a great trailer that does everything, that is the one right here, the Apex Nano by Coachmen. Been in the business for years and years, built a fine product. You'll notice this one has solar on the side, so it's all ready to go for your solar panels. Nice big space inside the pass-through for all of your camping gear, and it's magnetic. Isn't that neat? What I really love about this one is its tandem axle. That's pretty cool. And it's got this really nice outdoor kitchen. You got a nice stove here, a sink, a fridge. Your whole camping experience underneath this power awning. Everything all LED lit. And the inside is really awesome. Let me show you. So I'm going to start right back here with this huge bathroom, and a little trailer getting such a big bathroom is awesome. You can actually sit on the toilet and close the door, which is awesome. And look at all the space inside here. Nice vanity medicine cabinet, and check out the storage. Most of my customers tell me they don't need this much for towels. They put pots and pans and extra food in here. Really awesome for that. Moving right along into the kitchen, you'll notice really nice refrigerator, freezer. These are actually quite large for a little trailer. You do have a 2-burner stove, a microwave convection oven, and a large double sink. Really fantastic trailer. I'm a big guy, and I like the fact that I can fit right in this dinette, no problem. And I can have somebody sitting with me, and we can enjoy the view as we're eating here. Of course, you see you can have access to both sides of the bed, which is fantastic. What I love about this trailer is a little secret, that if it starts raining outside and you just need to be indoors for a while, all you got to do is just push your mattress out of the way, kick in this bed, and now you've got a really comfortable place to enjoy watching TV or whatever, and have a comfortable couch. This trailer does everything for you. It gives you the bed, the dinette, the couch, everything that you need with a great outdoor kitchen. You can't beat it. We've got several floor plans of these, and I would love to sell you one, so give me a call. Chris Bystead at 541-636-7878.